back to my channel. Finally the day's here. The CATBACK Skunk2 Exhaust. A real upgrade. Been waiting for this day for a long time. I've always hated these stock pea shooter exhaust systems, so let's get on with the install, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Well, I jacked front of the car up because of my car is so dead ass low, and unfortunately I just discovered my power steering line's starting to leak. Yippee! Another bloody job. Just by chance I found it while I was about to bolt on this new exhaust. I don't know if you can see that, but see how wet it is? Lower control arm is covered in power steering fluid. Anyway, I've been squeezing penetration oil on that. Been hearing a lot of good reviews on it from a lot of YouTubers actually. I'm just at the cat here. Now, most of you probably don't even know, which I didn't even know, and most people don't tell you in their videos, but you need to unbolt the cat heat shield off to get clear access to put in the new bolts. That comes in with your Skunk2 exhaust kit, and I've always used to use some penetrating oil. Good stuff. But anyway, I had to use a ratchet and make my own little, my own breaker bar, so they will be on there tight. But if you use a little bit of this stuff and socket and a ratchet like I am, and use an extension bar and another socket, just stick it on the end like that, and you've got your own little breaker bar. Okay, at the moment I've got the front of the car jacked up, so trying to make it as safe as possible. Alright guys, I got the bolts off. I was lucky, I was fortunate enough to get them off. This stuff really does help. Now the time to take these rubbers, so put a bit of WD-40 on that bitch. Okay. Here's one right there. I don't know if you can see that. That's right there. Like I said, I want these to come off as easy as possible. That's it. Fuck. My car's so goddamn low, I can't even get the fucking muffler out. I gotta jack the arse end of the car up just to get this big ass pea shooter muffler out of here. As you can see, there's no clearance whatsoever. But I've got it off.
safe in your face when you say money dance, turn the shit into a nightclub.
God damn, that's big. No wonder she was so quiet. God damn. Look how big this muffler is. Inside these stock mufflers will be like Willy Wonka's noodle party inside there.
Y'all niggas got a lot of paper. I don't know what the fuck y'all niggas doing. You know what I mean? Yeah. Everything custom like I'm at the bottom. Yeah, yeah. If you fuck with winning, put your lighters to the sky. How could I make sense when I got...
So far so good, got the downpipe in. Here the catalytic converter's heat shield's still hanging off. I don't think might end up deleting it. It seems like it might be in the way of this new gasket, exhaust gasket here. That goes all the way. Got it on that one. And the other one there. Just got to put that muffler on. We should be pretty good to go by then.
To some hard. I grew up in the streets without no heart.
Oh man. Oh shit. Fucking hell.
Skunk2 CATBACK. It's loud. Comes with a silencer, but I didn't buy it for that. The job took me about 3-4 hours. It's quicker if you have a hoist, but I did it on the ground as you saw. This thing is so much more heavy compared to that CATBACK, so it was really worth the money for me. It was a great investment, and hopefully you enjoy the video. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.